Every device stores data temporarily, which is called cache. Your app uses less data with the cache. However, clearing the cache may speed up your phone. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to clear Snapchat cache on phone. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your settings on your device. Scroll downwards. Tap on Apps. Tap on search icon at the top right of your screen. Search for Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat. Click on Storage. Click on Clear Cache. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to clear Snapchat cache on phone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.